What's up, everybody? Welcome to Randy Sage Films. Today we're going to talk about one essential tip that will help you become a better filmmaker. But before we do, would appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel, leave a like on this video, hit that notification bell so you get notified about future videos, and of course, leave a comment or a question down below. There are several things you can do to become a better filmmaker, but in my opinion, this one essential tip will help you improve each time you create film, and that's the goal, is to get better and better. So, what is that one essential tip?
I'm not good at sharing anything.
You can post your videos on YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, Instagram, and it's important to do that, to share your work with your friends and your family and actually get some honest feedback about how you're doing. You get a lot of constructive criticism when you post a film, and sometimes some criticism that you don't like to hear.
Right, you don't have to get all huffy with me. I'm only trying to help.
But that constructive criticism has led me to become a better filmmaker with each passing film. And finally, enter film festivals with your work to kind of see how it's doing and test your craft with people in the industry that watch film day in and day out. I didn't think I would ever win an award with any of my films or that it would ever be selected. But when my first film got selected to a handful of festivals, and then my future films got selected to more and more, I thought to myself, well, this isn't my friends or family telling me that I did a good job. This is people in the industry that actually do this for a living, that judge your film based on a bunch of different criteria. I've won a bunch of awards for my films, thankfully, which has been awesome, and it's kind of helped me get that drive inside to create better film and just be better in general. Now, like I said before, I'm gonna go in depth over the next few months. I'm gonna release a handful of videos that will cover all those topics in detail. And if you have any ideas for a video or something that you want me to create a video on or a question, please comment down below and leave me a like on this. It really helps the channel out. I appreciate you guys watching today from Randy Sage Films. I don't know how to leave a video, so I'm just gonna leave it right. Watch this next video and learn about the one thing you can do to improve your filmmaking by 100%.